Once your array is installed, there's typically a little bit of a delay, and that is just getting the utility company paperwork done, the full interconnection, and scheduling the final inspections and getting your new meter in. Once that's taken care of, then we come out, we commission your system. We're going to provide you with closeout documents, all the specs on every product that you have. And then lastly, we're going to set you up with an online portal. We're going to come out, we're going to train you on how your system works. And we're going to show you what you need to look at that's going to show you the production. With that being said, once we leave, you're going to have access to this on your home computer, your laptop, your smartphone. You're always going to have clear visibility as to what your array is doing. One of the really nice things that a lot of our customers like is we have a person here that all he does is monitor all of the arrays that we've installed. We run weekly reports that we generate here. So typically, if you ever have a problem with your solar array, 99% of the time, we're going to know it before you do. And then we take the proactive approach of we're going to get a hold of you and let you know what's going on and get you back up and running 100% as soon as possible.